Women rights activist Tripti Desai has received another threat against her campaign to enter Mumbai's Dargah Haji Ali. AIMIM leader Haji Rafat Hussain has threatened Tripti Desai, saying they will blacken her face if she dares to enter the sanctum sanctorum of Haji Ali and violates any of their norms. As a part of Tripti's campaign Haji Ali for All, she told India Today she will enter the sanctum sanctorum of Dargah Haji Ali at 4 this afternoon with some other friends and colleagues.
ऐसे लोग जो अंदर आना चाहते हैं, जो मैं समझता हूं बंबई का बड़ा अच्छा माहौल है, उस माहौल को खराब करना चाहते हैं, अगर उन्होंने इस तरीके की कोशिश करी तो उनको अंजाम भुगतना पड़ेगा। हमारा विरोध तो इस हद तक होगा कि अगर उन्होंने जबरदस्ती अंदर आने का कोशिश की तो उनके मुंह पर हम कालिक लगाएंगे और उनको एक ऐसा संदेश भी देंगे कि हिंदुस्तान के अंदर ये जो भेदभाव का जो एक नया मोटिव चल गया है, उसको रोकने के लिए हमसे और भी जो कुछ कोशिश होगी हम करेंगे।
And earlier, my colleague Mayuresh Ganpatiyai spoke to Abdul Sattar, the chairman of the Haji Ali Trust, to find out what was allowed and what wasn't, and what is it that the administration intends to do. Let's listen in.
We will allow her till where the ladies are generally going. There is two separate parts. One main hall is there gents are allowed. But for ladies we have put a small hall where they can stand, they can sit, they can pray.
So my question is that why women are not allowed to go on the mazhar?
It is against the Islam.
But before 4 to 5 years, women used to go there.
You see, if somebody has created some mistake, so he should continue till his life. Whenever he come to know that it is my mistake, he should repent, correct it.
And we also spoke to Tripti Desai a short while back. Let's listen in.
आंदोलन में जब संघर्ष करने की तैयारी रहती है तो पूरे तैयारी से उतरना चाहिए और मुझे इनको भी कहना है कि विरोध आप करें, लेकिन संविधान का अपमान मत करें। संविधान ने हमें दिया हुआ ये अधिकार है, उसके तहत हम ये मांग कर रहे हैं। किसी भी धर्म के खिलाफ हमने कोई बात नहीं की है, किसी की भावना कभी भड़काई नहीं है। तो कहीं ना कहीं संविधान ने सभी को एक ही अधिकार दिया हुआ है और जेंडर इक्वालिटी जहाँ पे है, मजार तक अगर पुरुष जा सकते हैं, 2011 से पहले महिलाएं जाती थी, तो अचानक उनके ऊपर पाबंदी क्यों लगाई गई? और वही मांग कर रहे हैं कि तुरंत जो है वो मजार तक महिलाओं को प्रवेश शुरू की जाए। तो इसके लिए किसी ने चप्पल से मारना चाहिए, किसी ने मुंह काला करना चाहिए, ये बिल्कुल है, लेकिन हम बिल्कुल नहीं डरेंगे। जो कुछ रहेगा उसको फेस करेंगे, हमारी जो मांग है उसके लिए डटे रहेंगे।
Tripti Desai's point is that women were permitted in the sanctum sanctorum of Dargah Haji Ali till 2011. Why was it stopped? Now, Mayuresh Ganpatiyai spoke to the chairman of the Haji Ali Trust. Mayuresh joins us with more on this. Mayuresh, why were women stopped in 2011? Till what point can they go now?
Certainly, Gaurav, there is a different section have been created since last 5 to 10 years by Haji Ali Dargah trustees, and according to them, that women are allowed to go till that point, and that point is just 5 to 7 feet away from the mazar. That's what Haji Ali Trust chairman Abdul Sattar told us. But Gaurav, after that, I just want to give an update to our viewer is that we have been getting information from the Samajwadi Party Women's Wing that they will be protesting against Tripti Desai at the main gate of Haji Ali. We spoke to Rukhsana Siddiqui, who is leading this Samajwadi Party's Women's Wing in Mumbai. She told us that she, along with her female colleague, will be coming over here and they will not allow Tripti Desai and her female colleagues to enter in Haji Ali Dargah. Back to you, Gaurav.
Oh, so Rukhsana Siddiqui is saying that they will not allow her to enter the Dargah Haji Ali at all, not even till the point where other women can go.
Certainly, Gaurav, you heard it right. She confirmed it on phone to us that they will not allow any member of a Bhumata Brigade.
Little Master Sachin Tendulkar has turned 43 today, and he celebrated his day by playing cricket with school children at the MIG Cricket Club. The children who are fighting cancer expressed their wish to play.